My name is Cinthya Yuliani. I'm from Yuliani University. Now I would like to present the paper. The title is "Why is pronunciation so difficult to learn?" by Muhammad Rizza Ahmadi. So based on this article, in many English language classrooms, teaching pronunciation is granted the least attention. If we learn a second language in childhood, we learn to speak it fluently and without foreign accent. But if we learn in adulthood, it's very unlikely that we will attain a native accent. In this study, the researcher first reviewed misconception about pronunciation and factor affecting the learning of pronunciation. Then, the needs of learners and suggestion for teaching pronunciation will be reviewed. This research also can gain the skills the ESL learners need for effective communication in English. Some common misconception about second language pronunciation. The main problem that second language learners have with pronunciation has to do with their need to change a conceptual pattern appropriate for the first language that they have internalized in childhood. The factor affecting the learning of pronunciation is accent, stress, intonation, rhythm, age, and mother tongue influence. So, what learners need to make the pronunciation is not difficult. The first is conversation with the native speakers, and the second one is consultation with expert guidance, and the last one is critical listening. So suggestions for teaching pronunciation. The first one is curriculum design. Its goals to help identify pronunciation needs as well as speech function and the context in which the might occur. The second one is focus on the suprasegmental. Teaching speech from the perspective of suprasegmental seems indispensable within the communicative approach to teaching ESL. The third is academic research and classroom experiments. One particular area that needs attention is in the area of assessing ESL pronunciation. The fourth is improved training for teachers. Existing teachers should be able to receive professional development in pronunciation teaching, but properly funded basis. The fifth is provision of materials and courseware for teachers and learners. The lack suitable materials for teachers, teacher trainers, and learners has been commented on at points above. The sixth is increased research on pronunciation teaching methodology. It will be clear that there is a burning need for an increase in the amount of serious research at all levels into wide range of issues to do with ESL. And the last one is methods and materials development. Teachers need to a greater appreciation of the pronunciation difficulties faced by learners of ESL and the reason for these difficulties and a simple framework for understanding the situation of the second language learner. So the conclusion is pronunciation can be one of the most difficult parts for language learner to master and one of the least popular topics for teachers to address in the classroom. So that's the presentation for me. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.